The 3D proximity tracker is very similar to the 2D tracker. And one difference, you can see now another camera from another angle and really have a 3D image of your space. So you can create a very accurate zone. So to get it, you go to tracker, right click, add a 3D proximity, and I'll open the tracker. You can see we have two windows. I'll use tracker 2 for my top one and tracker 1 for my bottom one. These are actually two webcams on laptops that are connected to the network and are sending information using the showrunner tracker. So you can see the top tracker is watching my semi-wall from front, and this camera is watching the same area from another angle. So if I move an object in front of my camera, I'll make it faster so we can see the image also in real time. So I'm moving my object, and you can see on the top one it's tracking it nicer, and on the bottom one it's quite far from my wall. So if I move it closer, I want to make this my active zone. So I'll add a zone, and here I'll use it for my center, and here this same zone is going to be a little different because I can see it again from another angle. So this is actually the same exact space from two cameras. So now if I move my, you can see if I move my object, you can see it's detected on the first one, but it's quite far from the second camera. So I'll move it closer, and once it goes into both rectangles, the zone is activated. So let's see how we can use it. I'll close it, and now I'll call this zone, and I'll drag it to my button and to my bar. So now I can see, I'll open it again so we can see what is going on. And if I move the object again, it's not activating anything because it's far away from the second window. And now as soon as I go into the zone, it's activating both. So you can see the bars showing me how far I am from the center of both rectangles, and the button is activated as soon as it gets higher than 50. So this can be used in many different ways to control lighting or control effects or fades or anything you can think of.